This is exterior door. The hallway. Bedroom number 1. So we closet down here. Put that in still. This is the office room down here with storage closet, big space. So you got them connected via the door down there. You have your living room down here. Closet, storage. Second bedroom down here. Door still gotta go in. We have already stuff on the shelf there. Now both the other room will have that door as well down there. We have kitchen. Sink's gotta go in still. We have microwave still gotta go in. You have your all new appliances, stainless steel. There's exit to the back door, the backyard, and the parking lot back there. Now, show the basement storage later. Our sink. Gotta work, still put the bathtubs around, toilets gonna go in there. There we go. And if we went to the, would be the basement storage. This is looking like the dumpsters over there. Grassy space behind the building. As there's snow right now. It's winter. Yeah, this is basement. We have storage spaces. This example. Remove the storage space right here. So you get one of those, and you got your washer and dryer, coin ops. There you go.